Hello guys, today we're going to take another look at the Orlandoo Hunter build. It's a little Jeep that looks something like this, and this kit was sent in to us from banggood.com, and we're only as far as the first stage. So this is assembling our axles, and that's what we're going to do in this video. So the first part of the build here is to assemble the front differential. So we'll just get started and see how far we go. We need to use parts from kit X as well here, so all the screws are in this this little box, and all of them are labelled. You can see there little numbers there that are going to match up with these numbers here, so everything should match up very easily. Okay, well here's our assembled front axle. We can see our little universal joints in there. They seem to be working pretty perfectly. You can maybe see on the top there, if I twist the universal joint, you can see it moving, and actually the same on the other side. So you can see all working together. We don't have a differential, we just have two bevel gears, so this each wheel is locked to the other. There's no way of twisting one without twisting the other. But generally, it's a very, very nice piece of kit. It's a, it seems like a quality piece of gear for an RC car. It's pretty good. To give you an idea of scale, here's the underside of the JCB teleporter that I think was made by Britons. Yes, actually, Tommy Toys, so that's Britons. And if we line up our axle beneath it, you can see that they're pretty much the same length. So in terms of scale, it's a pretty good match, this 135 scale Jeep, relative to our 132 scale models. So the next thing to do is finish the rear axle.
Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Alright, here's our rear axle, pretty much the same as the one on the front. We have a solid rear axle, so both wheels are connected to each other. One won't spin without the other, and they're connected with the bevel gear back to this central point in the middle here. So you can probably see that spinning there if I can get it going. So fairly simple axle once again, and if we put it up to our teleporter here, you can see that it's pretty ideal dimensions for the 132 scale vehicles. It's pretty perfect. So that's section A of the build complete. That's our 2 axles assembled. The next part, part B, is going to be all the little connecting rods. So probably not hugely interesting, but there's probably a good bit of work in that. So that's going to be in the next video. If you like the build so far, make sure and hit the like button, and if you have any suggestions, let me know below the video. And I think that's pretty much everything, so thanks very much for watching.